How to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, first just go to settings and now go to system and go to notifications. Now just turn off notifications and then go back, go to privacy, scroll down, go to background apps, turn off all the background apps here just by turning off the first one. Let's move to the next step, go to gaming and turn off Xbox game bar, go to game mode, turn it on, go to graphics settings, make sure it's turned on. You will find it like that, just turn it on and now restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, just close all the applications that you don't need here and also go to task manager and close applications like Google Chrome and task. Now just open Minecraft and you will find that your problem is fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.